Okay, what we have today from Aliexpress, and this product starts from $1 and it comes in different colors, maybe all colors, and also you can choose a multicolor. And what is it? What it says in the title? 1 meter, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters multicolor LED strip flexible neon light L-wire LED neon dance party atmosphere decor for lighting, string and waterproof. And of course, I have ordered this product from AliExpress and I got it. Oh, bubble! Beautiful! But what? They are empty? How is this possible? Empty bubbles. Alright. Come on. Oh, how many L wires we have here? We have many colors. We have green, yellow, white, blue. This is orange, red, and some attachments, and the main unit. Also in the title it says that this is battery powered. Yes, needs 2 AA batteries. But for those who don't know, what is a L wire? It's a thin flexible copper wire coated with phosphor that emits 360-degree neon-like glow when an alternating current is applied. Ooh, so in this thing we have this thing work on DC voltage and convert the electricity in AC voltage. Let's see what it says in description. Cool light emission line, beautiful atmosphere. Maybe you can use this for your car. Various colors, multiple power supplies, easy installation. USB driver. Oh, there is another model with USB driver, 5 volts voltage, but also it can work with 2 AA 3 volts. You can plug into a cigarette lighter, 10 colors. Okay, I will put link in description below so you can check it. And take a look what kind of batteries I'm gonna use it. My rechargeable lithium batteries. Yes, they are rechargeable. They have 1.5 volts and in milliwatt this is 4200 milliwatt hours. And on the side they have a Type-C connector for charging. Let me show you. When you plug in the Type-C connector, can you see that it's blinking? Right now it's charging. Isn't that nice? And also these come with the USB charger cable, so you can charge it in the same time both batteries. Also the link will be in description below so you can check it. Now I'm gonna place it. I was sick of buying alkaline batteries, so I fixed the problem with buying a rechargeable 1.5 volt batteries. Oh, it's working. Flashing. Slow flashing, turning off. Oh. Okay, let's try which one. We're gonna go with the red one. Also I have attachment so I can attach multiple colors. Let's go this way. Okay, power on. Oh, beautiful. Alright, I need to turn off the lights. Take a look at this light. This is awesome. You can make some crazy decorations using these L-wire lights. Oh, beautiful. Come on, man. Let's plug in the blue one. Ooh, even nicer. Awesome. Now I'm gonna hook up all of them. Right now, all L wires are connected, 6 of them, and powering in 3, 2, 1. Oh! We have red, orange, green, blue, white. Maybe this one is the best. What do you think? Please comment below which color do you prefer and you like it. This is awesome. Nice. Flashing fast, flashing slow, turning off. Time for my coffee page. Coffee page is a website where you can support my channel with 1 coffee or more coffees. To do that one time, or you can be a monthly supporter, and my latest supporter is Razdin, sorry if I pronounce wrong, and he wrote, "Congratulations, you have found the Easter egg." Thank you. Greetings from Germany. Hello Germany, and I must mention that I have a lot of viewers from Germany, and I have a couple of supporters from Germany. Thank you to all of you. The link for supporting my channel will be in description below. Now I have attached alligator clips from my power supply, and I'm gonna send it 4 volts so I can see will it be brighter, and power on. Oh, it's brighter, yes. But the AC to DC driver that is inside this box, it's making some kind of noise. Can you hear it? Yes, you can hear it. Just to turn off the lights so you can see how they light in dark at 4 volts. Yes, they're brighter. Beautiful. And this model, neon green, it's very cool. Love it. What do you think? And yes, the length of each color is 1 meter, and it's awesome. Beautiful. Let's plug in the orange now. No, the white. I'm gonna only attach the white. Oh, perfection. I didn't tell you, running on 3 volts, all 6 of them at the same time are pulling around 400 milliamperes, and only one it pulls around 40 to 50 milliamperes. At 4 volts the current consumption is little bit higher, 500-600 milliamperes. And take a look at this attachment, so you can drive all the L wires at the same time, but also you can choose only one to be attached on the driver. Perfect. I got some crazy ideas how to use them. They are not expensive at all. Maybe for decoration the PC computer, for decoration the car, the motorbike, the bicycle, whatever you want. Alright, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow. New video every day.